Hello, traders. It is Sunday evening, August 30th. I just got back, took a day off Friday, figured the market would be pretty slow. This is a good time to take some time off. Trying to get my market bearings. I want to show you just how easy it was for me to find an option trade. So you can see how the market's gradually been working its way higher from this breakout right here. Every single day we seem to be ticking higher. I don't see any speed bumps ahead. Should be smooth sailing into Labor Day holiday. Not a lot of volume right now. You can see this is a light volume rally, tiny volume, also known as a seller's boycott. Sellers are hanging on to their stocks, small, light bid, fueling the market higher. We're going to play off of that. So we're going to take a look at stocks that are also moving higher. All I had to do was to go into my favorite swing trading search, and that is called Pop Bull. For those of you who are Option Stalker members, you have access to Pop Bull. I went through the list. I found a number of really nice opportunities in here. One of them was Dell Computer. Dell Computer, clicked on it, and you can see how the stock was actually up through this horizontal resistance level right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. That validates that resistance level. Once it's resistance, once we break out, that becomes support. Very steady support at that. You can see the A right here. That means earnings after the close. Look at that big volume that we had on Friday after that earnings announcement. I'm going to click on Stock ER, and we can go down to View Press Release. There's the earnings report. When I click on it, you can see here that Dell had a 119% increase in net income. So huge. Operating income up 119%. Revenue was off the charts good. Work at home really playing to Dell's favor as people are needing to upgrade their computers because they're doing more and more work from home. This trend is probably going to continue. When I see a breakout like that, I expect continuation. There is a chance that the stock could pull back and test that breakout, but worst case scenario, it does that and then it has an even stronger leg higher. We want to play off of this used to be resistance level, now it's support. And that comes into play. We'll hover above that. What was that high right there? It was 63.19. So we want to be inside of it. The low from Friday was 64.80. That also will be a support level for us that we'll want to keep an eye on. Now, I want to make sure that we're inside of 3 weeks before expiration because I want to take advantage of accelerated time premium decay. So I'm going to bring up the Dell Computer option chain, and we're going to go to the regular monthly option, September 18th. That's all they have. So you can see here that the 62.50 puts, I clicked on that bid. I clicked on the ask of the the $60 puts. So when we have $2.50 between the strike prices, I typically like to get 50 cents for a spread like this. But we only have about 3 weeks left until expiration, so not a lot of time left. We're not going to get a lot of money for this spread. I think we've got a chance to get it done Monday. We're going to try and get a 45-cent credit for it. So in the course of 3 weeks, if this expires worthless, we're probably going to be making somewhere in the neighborhood of about a 22% return based on the maximum risk that we have up and on the margin requirement for that trade. So let's recap it. I want to sell the Dell September 18th 62.50 puts. I want to buy the Dell September 18th $60 puts, and I want to do that for a 45-cent credit. And you can also see that support level right there. That is what we are leaning on. We want to make sure that the S&P 500 stays above 337. I'm going to reference that in just a second. So the low from Friday is our first level of support. Our second level of support is that high right there at 63.19. Finally, if those support levels are breached and we close below $63, then we've got to buy back that bullish put spread, and that is the stop order. So if the stock closes below $63, then you'll need to buy that bullish put spread in. I believe the stock is going to continue to march higher. As it continues to march higher, our bullish put spread will be further and further out of the money. Time decay will work in our favor. We'll have a greater cushion. So I like Dell. If you're looking for a stock to buy, I think Dell can perform very, very well here. And you can see that it has not gone parabolic either. It's been in a nice, steady grind higher. Fantastic news for this earnings cycle. Look for it to continue to push higher. Let's take a quick look at the SPY. And you can see this upward sloping trend line here. It intersects around 337.50. That needs to hold. So you can see that line right there. As long as the market's above SPY 337.50, we want to make sure that we're focusing on the long side. If by chance we had something really, really nasty happen and the market fell below that 337.50 level, all of your bullish put spreads should be on high alert. You should be looking to buy those put spreads back and expect more follow through selling on the market. Again, very light news cycle right now. I don't see any speed bumps ahead. Doesn't mean that there can't be something out of left field that hits us. This is your guide right here. SPY 337.50 and that upward sloping trend line. I like Dell. I think it's going to continue to move higher. If you like the content in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's a Sunday night trade. I came back from taking a few days off. Thought you might be able to do this Monday morning. Look forward to seeing you in the morning. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your notifications so that you never miss one of these videos. I promise you, I'll always have some actionable trades in it. Good luck. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.